Are you looking for a job in the UK? The UK is facing a major labour shortage in 2025, opening up opportunities for foreign workers. In this video, we'll explore the high-demand jobs, salary ranges, and the visa options available. Stay tuned till the end to find out how you can apply. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the UK Routine YouTube channel for the latest updates on UK jobs, visas, and more. Due to labour shortages, the UK government has introduced new visa pathways for foreign workers. From agriculture to healthcare, hospitality to construction, there are thousands of job openings waiting to be filled. The UK farming sector urgently needs workers. Seasonal roles, for example, fruit pickers, farm assistants and tractor drivers, will now pay at least £12.21 per hour, with potential extra earnings from overtime or bonuses. You can apply under the seasonal worker visa. With tourism booming again, hotels and restaurants need staff. Chefs, bartenders, and housekeeping staff earn a minimum of £12.21, with experienced positions or those in premium establishments potentially earning up to £14 per hour as a base rate, excluding tips or additional incentives. Visa options include the skilled worker visa and temporary work visa. The UK's infrastructure is growing fast. Skilled tradespeople like electricians and bricklayers earn £15 to £25 per hour, with some earning up to £90,000 per year in London. You'll need a skilled worker visa for this. Retail and logistics are booming. Supermarkets and online retailers need warehouse workers, shelf stockers, and delivery drivers. Salaries range from £12.21 to £14 per hour. You can apply for a seasonal worker visa or temporary work visa. The UK healthcare system relies on foreign workers. Caregivers, nurses, and senior healthcare assistants earn £12.21 to £22 per hour under the Health and Care Worker visa. So, how can you apply? First, check if your job is on the shortage occupation list. Then, find UK employers offering visa sponsorship on job platforms like Indeed and government.uk. Finally, apply for the right visa, whether it's a skilled worker visa, seasonal worker visa, or health and care worker visa. Now you know the top UK jobs in 2025. Start your application today and take advantage of these opportunities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more UK job updates. See you in the next video.